Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morbid, back with another video. I know I haven't been putting out actually any videos lately. There is a reason for that, but we won't get into it in this video because this video is by the title. I'm doing a review, which is actually a first for me on any platform and any channel. I've never done like luxury bag reviews, so this is a first for me, but I've gone down a rabbit hole as of late. I was never big on, like I said before, handbags really. Like I like handbags, but more from afar. I've actually gotten my hands now on quite a few. But without further ado, what we're going to be talking about today is this beauty right here. This is the Tabby shoulder bag 26 with quilting, and that's how it is titled on the Coach website. So I am a recent coachee, and boy do I have a story when it comes to actually getting my hands on this one, this beauty right here. So I haven't really seen too much on the 26 bag online. I've been scouring the web for a long, it feels like a long time now, ever since New York Fashion Week 2024. Is it spring 2024? When it was released, I scoured the web everywhere, and all I've been able to see are the 20s, which is fine, but like I wanted to see the 26 and I've yet to see it. So yeah, she's pretty big and sizable. Like here's my head, you know, she fits a lot in here. So let's get into it. I think first things first, so we should talk about the price point. This retailed for $550 US. Now, something that I don't quite understand, and I hope somebody else out there is able to further elaborate on this, but that is that there were only 26 of these made, apparently. I don't really know what that number means, which is what they posted on their website, because when this first came out, this was like sold out instantly. And like that's where my first struggles came when trying to get the 26, is that they were sold out pretty instantly, and I couldn't get my hands on this. All they had were the 20s, and those sold out as well, like pretty quickly. Like it took a couple hours maybe, but it sold out within the day. And then all that were left were the wristlets, and that one maybe, those ended up selling out too. But this one was the, I guess, the holy grail of the bags. Like you couldn't really get your hands on this one. So let me read the editor's note from the website. It says that part of our spring 2024 presentation and available now, this limited edition Tabby shoulder bag 26 is a modern take on an archival 1970s Coach design, crafted of quilted plush, ultra soft, and Napa leather, which I can attest to that. It is so soft. It is so soft. It's a dream. It's like a little cloud. The compact 26 is finished with our tonal leather covered signature hardware for an iconic touch, and a long leather chain strap to wear crossbody or double up for a shorter, dressier look. And like that editor's note kind of nails it. This is very much like a dressier kind of look. It's very reminiscent to the Chanel bags. The quilting is definitely what sends your mind to like Chanel. And when I saw this, I knew that I had to have it, a part of my collection. And yeah, when it sold out, I was like, well, there goes my shop. Lo and behold, I was actually really desperate on getting this. So desperate that I almost pulled the trigger on this Poshmark post where someone actually got their hands on it from the website when they were selling it, and they were upcharging like 900 bucks. And I was like, yikes. Like I don't want to do it. Like I didn't do it, obviously. But I was like, I don't want to do it, but like I really am obsessed with this bag. But I didn't end up doing it. So I'm glad that I did it, because the real story goes that I've been doing a little bit of damage at the Coach store. I found an essay, a sales associate, and she put me down as one of her clients, and she let me in on a little secret that their store, which is one of the, I think one of the few stores that are actually getting them. I don't think they're at all stores. So I think there are a select few stores that have gotten the quilted ones. So she was like, I'll let you know a little secret. We're actually getting some inventory of these. Have you seen these? These are new, and we're getting them in the store, and they're gonna be like brand spanking new. And I was like, when she showed me the picture of the quilted Tabby 26. I was like, oh my god, girl, you are like the answer to what I've been like wanting. So I was like, yes, girl, I'm so serious. I told her I'm so serious. Put me down. Let me know, let me know when these come in and set one aside for me, please. So she's like, I will let you are the first contact that I will, like, I'll make sure. And she did. She contacted me. She's like, we've got them in. Do you want one? I was like, yes. Put one aside for me. I will pick it up stat. And mind you, I was moving at the time, so it was kind of a hectic time for me, but I made time to go into the store and grab it. And so I did. So that is my crazy story. I'm glad that I didn't get out of Poshmark. It was the craze. It was the craze because I've never felt that strong for another bag like than I did for this one. So, especially because the 26, it was so hard to find the 26s. The 20s are a little more manageable. They're still hard to get, but like they're more manageable, whereas the bigger one was the hard part. Anyways, I'm so happy with this purchase. Now let's actually look at the bag, because I've just been rambling this whole time. Sorry about that. So again, very soft, very pretty. Here's the side profile with the little chain. Then we got the straps, which are metal chain with the leather woven through, very Chanel-esque as well. You could do the double straps, or you could do the single strap and wear it a lot longer, which by the way, wearing it a lot longer is so pretty. I think it sits like right above my hip. So yeah, this sits right above, this is my hip. So right here on my hip is where it lands. It's so cute. Oh, I love her. Now she does have a little bit of a back flap. It is like, it does have a magnet, so it does close with a magnet. I don't find that I put a lot back here. Like not a lot goes here. Like maybe my phone. I have the new Pixel 8 that came out, and she's kind of like tiny, so she's not the biggest phone. She's actually smaller than the last Pixel I had. So that fits like pretty nice in there. So sometimes I'll slot that, but when I'm wearing, I have like a very thick case, I don't tend to put my phone there. So now the actual like the actual clasp, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I think that's the only thing that I would talk badly about this bag, is that I'm not a fan of the clasp. I do like the sound that it makes though. Like something very satisfying about the sound, and actually even the act of doing it. But I will say I do prefer the really strong magnets because I hate fiddling with it. Like I already taken this bag out a little bit for a spin, and like when I have a lot of things, especially when I'm shopping, and like I have a lot of things and I'm paying and I'm checking out and all this stuff, and like fiddling with it is so annoying. But again, that's like, it's like the most minute complaint. Like I don't, it's like whatever, you know. So anyways, so there's the flap in this front section right here. What does it say? It does say the Tabby Bag genuine Napa leather. So then there is a little like compartment in the front. I believe the 20s have this as well, and then it has like a little canvas or fabric in there. This is magnet too, but this is really strong. I love the magnet on this. Like it's a really strong magnet. Love that. Let me take these out. That's what I use to keep her like structure when she's like in my closet. And then inside there are, on top of the first one that I showed you already, there's 3 other compartments. So this holds a lot. This actually holds quite a lot, but I can fit a whole bunch, which I will show off in a sec. But yeah, there's the 3 compartments. Again, there's fabric on the inside as well of those compartments. And then I noticed that the 20 doesn't have the little zipper one, the insert on the divider, but this one does have like a zipper with, you could cram a few more things in there. And then that's it. Now it's time to see how much I can fit in this. So I'm gonna shove my phone in the back pocket like I did previously, usually where it sometimes can go. For me, In the front flap, I think I would maybe only do my Sonys so that they don't ever get like damaged or scratched. It could fit like one more thing in this front flap. So Sonys, they're just my like square Burberry ones for the ones I'm wearing today. And then that's her right there. I think she's pretty, like she's not like too stuffed, not gonna like lose shape. So then I like to carry on this little pouch. It has like chapstick, lipstick, and that like little thing that you put on tables to hold your bag. Like that's what I put in this little mini pouch. I think I put that in like the back flap. Then I have some lotion. I'd probably zip this up in here in the middle one. I have my big ginormous keys. It's like a key ring with key holder, and then this is actually an NFC card holder so that I can turn on my bike, my scooter, electric scooter. So probably put that in, probably shove that in the back pocket like so. And then I still have my like little mini card holder. This is usually what I prefer to use. I don't like big wallets at all. So anyways, I'd probably put that on the front flap. And then last but not least, little AirPods holder case. Put that in. Okay, now she is pretty stuffed. She's kind of looking like she's got a belly. And there you go. So that is her full to the brim, and she takes it like a champ. She is stuffed for sure. But most of the times these aren't my true essentials. For me, an essential is like my wallet, pretty much. My wallet, and that's it. Oh, I got a message. Everything else I can carry. I'm fine with carrying because I do like tiny little purses as well. So I'm okay with sometimes having to carry stuff. It's just me, myself, and I. But there you have it. But yeah, all in all, I'm glad that I manifested this one for myself because I was on a high. For sure, definitely. And it had to be the right size. I knew like deep down I was not gonna be happy with the 20, even though they're not that. I don't think the sizing is that different. I wish I had one to compare, but I don't think they're that different. But I just knew it had to be the right one. It was like, and my heart was set on the 26, so glad I waited for it. What else do I have to say? I haven't used her a whole ton. I tend to gravitate towards gold finishes and gold jewelry. Lately, I've noticed that of myself. I don't really gravitate towards silver as much. I'm trying to change that. So she hasn't gotten the most use, but hopefully soon. Hopefully soonish. Because she is my favorite. She and like my other Coach. I have like 2 top Coach bags, and she's one of them. But they're neck and neck, her and my other bag. And like if I had to put them together, I don't know which one I'd choose. But that is my review. She's so soft, you guys. I wish you could feel her like right now. Oh, so soft. So luxe feeling. Love it. So I'm gonna end this video here before I rant anymore, because boy can she rant. Stay tuned for some other videos. I've been on a spree lately, and I do plan to come back. It's more of a timing thing as of late, but I do plan to come back. So see you very soon. Bye guys.